We're asked to solve for x, and the first step I'm going to take you may not expect, but I'm going to deal with this minus the quantity 7x minus 2 by rewriting it as negative 1 times 7x minus 2. And then here I can do distributive property and multiply both of the terms inside the parentheses by the negative 1. Doing something like this helps avoid sign mistakes. If you don't, usually there'll be a sign mistake in the second term. People will forget to take the negative times this negative 2. So our next line, I recopied everything else, but negative 1 times positive 7x is negative 7x, and negative 1 times negative 2 is positive 2. So that takes care of that sign mistake if that's something that you make. Now we need to combine like terms on this side of the equation. So we have a negative 4 that I need to put with the positive 2. You don't put that with the variable term. So now we have negative 10 plus x equals negative 7x. I just copied that. Minus 2. Negative 4 plus 2 is negative 2. From here, we can start solving because we have everything simplified on both sides of the equation. So I'm going to add 7x to both sides. These guys are going to cancel out. We have negative 10 and a positive x, that's positive 1x, plus 7x gives us 8x's, positive, equals negative 2. Now add 10 to both sides. These 10s are going to cancel out, and we get 8x equals a positive 8. Negative 2 plus 10 is a positive 8. Now just divide both sides by 8, and we can get x equals 1. I hope you got that. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.